The CBI's bunglings continue. They have had 16 years and still have been completely unprepared in the Kim Davy extradition case. Now, with the court reserving its judgment, the CBI will return empty-handed from Copenhagen, and questions are being raised.
He is desperate to avoid extradition. And by the looks of it, the CBI is doing all it can to help.
If I told you go there, you will be safe. I can give you guarantee.
Making small talk with Kim Davy, even offering assurances, but doing nothing to help their case in court.
Aware of the court verdict. No. But I'm telling you, all of us in India are really concerned about your safety and security. And I can assure you, if I told you go there, you will be safe. I can give a guarantee to you. I'm telling you. Don't worry. Don't feel bad.
The biggest embarrassment coming in the form of an expired arrest warrant for Kim Davy.
We coming here with the expired warrant or non or the live warrant it's a non-issue. We are not very sure about the Danish laws and everything. So many things, so many integrities. Just we thought that okay, let us have an extra precaution and let us revalidate the issue which is there.
Of course, we have to have as many arguments as possible, and we had a solid argument today that there was no valid arrest warrant against Mr. Holck, so that was a good point for us.
The agency not even bothering to produce a single witness or basic evidence on the state of West Bengal jails. The 4-day courtroom drama ending with the reservation of the judgment.
Well, after the 4-day hearing, the end came as something of an anticlimax. Everyone in the courtroom and beyond were expecting a decision date, but none came. The judges said that given the case's significance and its history, i.e. it had been going on for the past 15.5 years, it would be irresponsible of them to give a definite date for now.
With the hearing to resume only in June, coupled with the CBI's complete unpreparedness in the extradition case, it ensures freedom for Kim Davy for at least another month. With Simrat Ghuman in Copenhagen, Sanjna Chauhan, Times Now.